Shelby time here. 2010 Shelby GT500 Mustang. Just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. A low mile car, about 14,000 miles on this approximately. We'll check the exact mileage when we open it up, fire it up, start it up for you. Now, this one here is brilliant silver metallic. Actually a very low production color. Only 130 of these made total in 2010. Got the matte black stripes on it. Kind of a shadow gray wheel. Great looking color combination on this one. Of course, underneath the hood, 5.4 liter dual overhead cam V8 that is supercharged, producing 540 horse. That's paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. And overall, this car is in very nice shape. 2-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. I do not see any signs of paintwork. Check out the still pictures, look it over for yourself. Check out the undersides, trunk, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pics. And feel free to call too. 507-386-1726. See up and down this car. No dings, nicks, scratches. This was adult owned and driven. Riding on Goodyear radials, the stock FCT wheels. Dark charcoal black interior. Pretty nicely optioned car. Does have the nav, dual climate control, driver's information center. We'll get around to some of that stuff on the driver's side here in a minute. Now remember, we do consider trades. We can assist with the transportation of this vehicle. Financing is available and it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look up and down the driver's side, see how straight and also free of nicks, dings, scratches this one is. What you'd expect with a 14,000 and some odd mile car. Let's go ahead and check this interior out. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirror. Door panel, nice shape. GT500 floor mats. You can see the bolster, seat. It's showing a little bit of wear from going in and out, but not bad at all. Still supple, nice leather. Of course, driver's information center. Down there, steering wheel controls, radial, stations, volume, etc. It does have the shaker system to it, like I said, with touch screen navigation to it, dual climate control. Let's go ahead and fire this up. So you can hear it run. Let's have a nice bark to them under throttle. 540 horse. You're going to notice some engine noise. Sounds good. Touch screen. Go to radio there. Controls for heat and AC. Does have a Carroll Shelby little signature plaque down here with the VIN number of the car on it. Dash, everything in nice shape. No warning indicator lights, anything like that. Just the seat belt since I don't have it on. Alright, slip around to the back of this. Let you hear what it sounds like. We'll pop the hood and check that out too. Little rumble out of the 5.4 liter. And I have not seen where there's been any modifications done to this as far as what was done at Shelby. Anything after that, it all looks stock Shelby GT500 to me. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood so you can check out the engine bay. All right, first thing you notice, has had the hood struts added to it. The prop rod is in the trunk still with the car. SWT cold air intake. Again, nothing stands out as far as any sort of modifications on this car, besides what Shelby did. Nice looking, smooth running engine, nice tidy engine bay. Until it hasn't been driving in driven in any sort of inclement weather. Look at all clean, nothing dried or nothing stained on that hood liner. So, very nice shape. 2010 Shelby GT500 Coupe. Only 130 of them made in this brilliant silver metallic. Nice looking car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to the website. Check out the listing. And remember, we can assist with transportation. Financing is available. Of course, we do consider trades. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.